Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I
Justice Khan Badich,
do solemnly swear and I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that as judge of the Federal Constitutional Court of Pakistan,
that as judge of the Federal Constitutional Court of Pakistan,
I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability and faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions.
My official conduct or my official decisions.
That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
And defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
And that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
May Allah Almighty help me and guide me. Ameen.